Hey guys, this is Ernesto and welcome back to yet another video. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I'm having a wonderful day. So this video is not sponsored, but Sutefoto did send me 4 TP25 tube lights. These lights are 25 watt output, 24 inches long, and they are RGB, HSI, and they have different scenes. You can even put these lights into different groups. On this photo shoot, I leveraged the use of the Android application as I found it much easier to change the colors on these lights. Connecting the lights to the app was very easy. All I did was download the app, open it, turn on the lights, and all 4 lights showed up. I requested 4 of these lights because I wanted to put these lights into a square and then put the model in the middle of those 4 lights. The problem I had was I received the lights on Monday, and on Tuesday I was doing the photo shoot. So effectively, I didn't get an opportunity to obtain the tools that I needed to connect these lights into a square properly. On the photo shoot, I ended up creating the square as best I could using 2 C-stands and a prayer. Well, it wasn't really a square because it wasn't even and it wasn't level either, so I did the best that I could. Since I could put the lights into groups, I decided to put the pair of the lights into groups so that each pair would have their own dedicated color. The fact that I could group these lights meant that the colors were exactly the same for each pair, which was great. I love using gels, but the fact that I could get colors from these lights with no gels is great. The only drawback to these lights is that I can't use them during the day. One item that did surprise me about these lights was the battery life. I started the photo shoot at 9 p.m. and we finished around 12 p.m. and 2 of the lights were still at full power, and the other 2 lights did lose 1 bar, and all 4 of these lights were on for the full time of the photo shoot. In this first setup, the subject started out with a black dress, but I really didn't like the results as the black dress was not given any type of reflection, so I asked her to change her outfit. The blue outfit was shiny and it reflected the light nicely, which was great. Now on the second setup, what I was looking for was a more of an abstract look. I utilized the scrim that I had in my home studio, and I put the scrim between me and the subject. And the subject had on the same outfit from the previous shots that I've shown you. And what was happening and what I was seeing was, because I was trying to go for this abstract look, I wasn't really getting the silhouette that I wanted. The outfit was really getting in the way and creating this blocky look, and it wasn't giving me the lines that I was looking for. So we decided to remove the outfit that she had on so that we can see the silhouette of the subject. And that one really looked better than where we started out. So I really like the final look of these particular images. Now in terms of the light, and all we did was utilize 3 lights on this photo shoot. So 3 out of the 4 lights we decided to use. So for this particular effect, all I had to do was basically put 2 lights, which was still in a group, and they both had the same color, which was basically orange, I believe is what I had there. And then I decided to put a red gel, well, not a red gel, I'm sorry, a red, one of the another lights, but that light was red. So effectively what I was doing was I was creating this yellow background on the scrim. So the scrim was completely yellow, and then for the subject, the red light was just basically filling up in the bottom part of the subject and adding that red gel to it, so it could just break up the whole yellow effect that was happening just a little bit. So that was effectively the setup for these abstract images. So this was a fail setup. It didn't work for a couple of reasons. The lighting wasn't great. I didn't have it set up the way that I had it in my head, that I envisioned it in my head. And also the outfit wasn't working with the light. So the combination of both the lighting and the outfit for this particular setup failed. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Please put some comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what images you guys enjoyed. And guys, please share this video with your friends and family if you believe it will be helpful to them.